Hello everyone, welcome to this Ingles 1-1-B. All right everyone, today we're going to talk about there is and there are. There's something really simple about this, all right? So as you know, we always talk about singular things and plural things. You know, is also refers to singular things and are is for plural things. For example, when we say there is, it means something exists but in singular. When we say there are, it means something exists in plural. Estimados amigos, compañeros, bienvenidos. Lo que aquí tenemos es there is y there are, y esto significa que hay, ¿no? A diferencia en español que nosotros ocupamos hay para decir que algo existe en singular o en plural, en inglés tenemos que diferenciarlo. Por ejemplo, yo digo hay una computadora, sería there is a computer, only one, right? But when I say something in plural, for example, I don't have one computer, I have more than one computer. Si yo tengo más de una computadora, ya no puedo decir there is a computer. Vamos a decir there are computers, all right? So that's very simple. We're going to use the verb to be just the way we know how to use it. Okay? Lo utilizamos justo como siempre lo hemos dicho. El is en singular y el are en plural. Simplemente le agregamos el there para decir que hay algo. For example, the expression there is and there are used to indicate that something exists. I said that before. Or it is a certain location, o está en cierta localización, está ahí, está allá, all right? So, the affirmative form, of course, we're going to use the same form of the to be form, right? We say, there is, singular, there is not, or there isn't, as a contraction, and the question, obviously, is going to be, is there, right? Is there, right? So, it's very simple because we follow the same rules of the to be form. Entonces, compañeros, para la fórmula del verbo to be, seguimos los mismos pasos. Is, isn't, are, aren't, positivo o negativo. Y para hacer preguntas simplemente pondremos el is o el are hacia adelante. Is there, are there, right? So, for example, you have here some pictures, and we can say, there are 3 living rooms in your house maybe, right? Hay 3 habitaciones, 1, 2, 3. I can't say there is because there is not one, there are more than one, right? Entonces no podemos decir hay en singular, there is, sino el hay en plural que sería there are, por eso estamos 3 habitaciones. But over here I have only one. Aquí en cambio tenemos solo una. In this case we're going to say in this living room there is, okay, for example, there is a living room, okay, and there is a living room. One thing, for example, in the living room there is a TV, there is a TV. As you can see, there is a lamp, right? I'm saying just one thing, okay? So estamos hablando de uno en uno. But I can say there are 2 doors, right? Hay 2 puertas, there are many windows, and so on, right? So there you go, some examples, okay, with this. And let's move to this. There are 2 bathrooms, like hay 2 baños. In my house, there are 2 bathrooms. In my house, there is 1 bathroom, right? Or I can say in my house, there is 1 bathroom, there aren't 2 bathrooms, right? Hay un baño, pero no hay 2 baños, right? So you can see this. In this bathroom, there is. You can name some of the things like you can find in the bathroom. For example, there is 1 bathtub, there is 1 curtain, there is 1 faucet, there is 1 window. No, there are 2 windows in this case, all right? There is 1 toilet, right? And we have even more information. In this dining room, there is, you know, for example, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 chairs, right? We say there are, right? But there is 1 table, okay? So you see the difference, right? Ahí ya usted puede ver la diferencia, ¿no es cierto? So, as you can see over here, now it says in this bedroom, there is, obviously, in this bedroom, there is 1 bed, okay? You can see 1 bed, there are 2 or 3 pillows, okay? Hay 3 o 4 almohadas, all right? 2 también, okay? There's 1 plant, right? There's a coach, and so on. There is a big kitchen with, okay, there is a big kitchen. Hay una cocina grande. And there you go, obviously more examples, more vocabulary about the things like we have in the kitchen. For example, we have 1 refrigerator. There is 1 refrigerator. There are 3 modern chairs, 3 modern chairs, all right? There is 1 microwave, right? So you can start talking about there is, there are to describe your house, to describe a room, to describe this place, right? Okay, to finish, we say in my house there is. What do you have in your house? Let's suppose there is a swimming pool or there is apuro, right? So in order to finish this part, just remember there is we use with singular things, and there are we use for plural things. And you can even talk about many things. For example, I can talk about my town, I can talk about my house, I can talk about a place that I want to describe, right? Podemos hablar de lugares, de la casa, de la ciudad, que nomás hay en la ciudad. Por ejemplo, yo podría decir, in Cuenca there is an airport, or there is one airport, okay? There aren't two airports, or there isn't a train station. There isn't a train station. No hay estación del tren. Obviously we have a tranvía, that's another thing, it's not a train, right? I can say also there are many parks. In Cuenca there are many parks, ¿no es cierto? En Cuenca hay muchos parques, como es plural, ahí usaría el there are. There aren't any amusement parks. No tenemos ningún parque de diversiones, right? There isn't any amusement park, all right? So there you go, everyone. It's very simple. You can start working on there is and there are, and give examples. You can make positive sentences, negative sentences, questions, and just remember the answers. ¿Cómo serían las respuestas? Si la pregunta estaba con is there, es posible que también sea con there is, y la respuesta are there con there are. For example, is there a table here? ¿Hay una mesa aquí? Yes, there is, right? Are there books here? Yes, there are. ¿Sí? Entonces las respuestas serían con los mismos there is and there are. All right, everyone, this is it for today. I see you in the next class. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.